Imagine opening your computer and typing, "Draw me an astronaut cat playing the piano on the surface of Mars," in the style of Van Gogh. In less than 5 seconds, a stunning piece of artwork appears, one that no human has ever created before. Then you ask it to write a poem, and it does. Or fix a complex piece of code, and it fixes it. You look at the screen and wonder, has this machine truly begun to understand what I'm saying? Does it know what a cat is? What Mars is? What music means? Or is there a mathematical trick operating behind the scenes? The truth is that artificial intelligence does not understand the world the way humans do, nor does it possess consciousness. And yet, it can perform tasks that seem to require genuine understanding. So how is that possible? For many years, computers worked in a very simple way. The programmer wrote instructions, step by step. If this happens, do that. Repeat the process 10 times. Print the result. Modern artificial intelligence, however, works in a completely different way. Instead of writing millions of rules, scientists began training models on enormous amounts of data, books, articles, images, and much more. The goal was no longer to store answers inside the machine, but to learn the patterns and relationships hidden within that data. You often hear that artificial intelligence predicts the next word. That's true, but it isn't the whole story. To succeed, it must discover the relationships between words and contexts, even some of the logical patterns of language. It recognizes that a cat is closer in meaning to a dog than to a galaxy. Before generating each word, the model looks back at nearly all the previous words and decides which ones matter most, right now. Talking about the moon, it focuses on space. Talking about a satellite, it connects to technology instead. It doesn't search an encyclopedia for a ready-made sentence. It generates the text one word at a time, from the patterns it learned. So how can it create an image of a cat on Mars that's never existed? This is where diffusion models come in. Researchers begin with a photo and gradually add visual noise, again and again, until it becomes nothing but random dots. Then they train the model to do the opposite, to remove the noise, step by step, until it reconstructs the original image. Step by step, it reshapes pure noise using the patterns it has learned, until the image gradually emerges before your eyes. Does everything we've discussed mean that artificial intelligence is conscious? In reality, it does not understand meaning the way we do. So when you're amazed by its answers, you're not marveling at a mind that thinks, you're marveling at an extraordinary achievement of mathematics built on centuries of human knowledge.